हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द HTML सेशन। प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने देखा कि लिस्ट टैग्स क्या होते हैं और अनऑर्डर लिस्ट क्या होता है और ऑर्डर लिस्ट क्या होता है और डेफिनेशन लिस्ट क्या होता है। इस लेक्चर में हम देखेंगे कि स्पैन टैग और div टैग्स क्या होते हैं। सो बेसिकली div टैग इज अ ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट यूज्ड टू क्रिएट सेक्शन फॉर वेब पेज। सो ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट्स मैंने आपको पहले बताया है कि ब्लॉक लेवल एलिमेंट्स वैसे एलिमेंट्स होते हैं जो पूरा ब्राउजर का विथ ऑक्युपाई करते हैं और इनलाइन एलिमेंट्स वैसे एलिमेंट होते हैं जो बस कंटेंट विथ ऑक्युपाई करते हैं। ओके, so div tag is what used to create section for web page. So we will be seeing individually what is div tag and what is span tag. Span tag is what used to inject the text between any content. If you are writing any paragraph and if you want to highlight one thing in one word in that paragraph, okay, if you want to change one color of that one word of that paragraph, so you can use insert span tag and you write the property css property inside this that span tag and you will be getting that different color. Okay, so we'll be seeing what are span tag and div tag. Okay, div and span html. I am inserting one div tag and I will be inserting one span tag, and in this code we will be seeing individually what are span tag and what are div tag. Okay, so I'm inserting one boilerplate. So in this I'm writing one div tag. Okay, div tag is used to what? Div tag is used to create section for the web page. Okay, so I'm writing h2 heading level 2. Okay, I'm giving one heading level 2 is the name what I want to give. Inside this I am inserting one paragraph. Okay, I'm inserting one paragraph. So in this paragraph I am writing like these are HTML sessions and we are what we are discussing HTML div tags. Okay, we are discussing HTML div tags. So saving this application and copy the path and move to Chrome. We will be seeing what heading level 2 and these are HTML session. We are discussing HTML div tag. So inside this div, inside the div tag we had written one heading and we have written one paragraph. Okay, so I am writing one more paragraph and copy this whole thing. Copy, this is what dummy text. I will copy this much thing, copy, and I am inserting one more paragraph tag, and pasting that whole thing here. Okay, and pasting okay this whole thing, and I want to highlight this 1500. I want to change this color of 1500. I want to make it what blue, let's say blue color. So I will be adding one CSS property. So what is that? What I'm inserting one, I will be inserting one span tag. Okay, so inserting one span tag and style property is there. Style equal to what? Style equals to, I say, color. I will be giving I will be giving what color? Let's say blue color. I want to give that. I want to apply one blue color. Okay, so I am inserting one span tag and inside that I am inserting one color, and in this I am inserting what blue color. Okay, fine, is that clear? So we'll be seeing like this 1500 whole thing will be, this will be in what? Blue color. Okay, this will be in blue color. We'll be seeing in CSS that how to apply these properties one by one. Okay, so these are what HTML session, and we'll close this span tag and we will be inserting one span tag here also. After that 1500 I want to insert one span tag here. Okay, so we'll be save this application and copy the path and move to what? Chrome, and let's say paste it here. See, this whole thing is in blue. This 1500 as in what? Blue. If you want to highlight this is what? In blue. Okay, so this is due to what? Span tag. So there are multiple uses of span tag. If you want to add like if you want to change the if you want to change the width, if you want to highlight this, if you want to highlight this thing, you will be using what? Inside this span tag you will be using what font. If you want to change the font, you will be using the CSS property, font weight is equals to bold, so this whole thing will be in bold. Okay, like these are what span tag and div tag. Okay, so I hope that span tag and div tag is clear to you. In the next lecture we will be seeing what are input elements, in HTML, and inside that input element example we will be seeing in briefly that what is span tag and what is div tag. If